Okay, I'm sick, but I do have two new Hot Wheels Arrivals for you. They were just putting these cars on the shelves, and my mom just like grabbed them and went. Two brand new Hot Wheels cars, the new Arrivals. I already took them out of the pack. I got the 71 Dodge Challenger. Really nice car. The cars I got. I'll show you all my newest cars. All my cars. Not just Hot Wheels, Matchbox. My favorite one of all, the 70 Pontiac GTO Judge. This thing is nice. Love this thing. Spoiler's really cool. Nice car. Alright, I haven't really shown you Matchbox, but I'll show you Hot Wheels, both Hot Wheels and Matchbox. You've probably already seen this one. Camaro. These are not new ones. I'm showing you old ones now. Crap, keep dropping it. 69 Camaro Z28. The big one. This thing is huge. Matchbox. 57 Chevy. Hood off. I painted that. But the hood's broken off. Nice car. Nice paint job there. 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Color crappy one I painted. More. 1957 Chevy. These are the ones I colored on marker. This one I kind of did. Hot Wheels 1957 Chevy. Nice one. 8 crate. '57 Roadster. '67 Camaro. Good blue stuff here. I'm sick, so I got this. It's a cereal box car. Land Rover Discovery. It's a nice car. Hold on. Put my cars in the bins. I got this big truck. It's Hot Wheels. The trailer comes off and this opens up for a car to go in, so it's really cool. Semi-fast. I got 2 of these. That's neat. 40s Woody. The surfboard's on the top. Wood. Nice color car, kind of. Very nice. Matchbox. Ford EE350 Ambulance. 2009. Really good one. I like this one. Hot Wheels, 1970 Chevelle SS. It's a nice car. I like this one. Rolls pretty well. MG Rover. Put a Pringles can instead now. This is another cereal box car. Pencil Shell 29. It's Kevin Harvick's wineback car. thing. Put it on a Pringles can. An empty Pringles can. So there you go. I got a Mustang Mach 3. It's a nice car. Maybe I should put it on the display case in my garage. Let me get that. My little display case. What about the squares? What are those? There they are. These are from the state cars, but I just took them out. I gotta put the cars instead. So right here is replica of the Chevrolet Fleet Side pickup. It's a replica. Ford F-Series. City bus. So, yeah. So, yeah.